7+1 Unnecessary Actions, Wastefulness in Austerity. According to the literature of the Japanese author, Masaaki IMAI, unnecessary energy or waste means anything that does not add value to the production of goods or services. It impedes the flow of work and limits effectiveness, efficiency, or flexibility. There are 7+1 waste actions in production. One unnecessary action is the failure to utilize the potential of human resources. All these redundant actions are applicable in both product production and service delivery. For convenience, we use the English acronym DOWNTIME. These are defects. The disadvantages of lack of patterns and repetition of actions are many and significant. Regular errors, poor quality, and problems in performance are just a few of them. Examples include prints that are not needed and stationery that needs to be reprinted due to typos and complaints. In the company, organization, or business, standards must be applied to better define what is right and what is wrong. The standard must be right the first time and every time in everything we do. Overproduction. Doing a large amount of work too early, or thinking that it just might be needed. Just in case. Effectiveness, efficiency, and responsiveness mean doing what is needed when needed. Waiting time. Long periods of stagnation in relation to information, products, or people are a serious disadvantage and can lead to poor workflow and task execution. Any kind of queue, such as airport check-in, a delayed flight, product delivery or repair, a delay in arrival at an emergency incident, employees waiting for work assignments, and delayed documents awaiting executive approval, can seriously impact staff performance and customer dissatisfaction. Non-utilized talent. Failure to use the creative skills of employees can have a negative impact on the development of the organization. When employees' creative abilities are not used, the ideas and innovations that could be generated remain untapped. Moreover, neglecting employee development can lead to a state of stagnation and frustration in the workplace. Furthermore, the lack of equipping employees with the necessary skills for their future professional needs may result in an inability of staff to face new challenges and grow in their careers. Transport. Excessive and inefficient movement of people, information, or goods is a problem that can result in significant lost time, effort, and cost to an organization. Examples of this problem include failure to coordinate deliveries with respect to location, product size, time, and long distances. In addition, multiple product movements can increase the risk of damage and cause losses. Inventory. There are three types of inventory: raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Inventory is an important part of the production and supply chain of products. However, excessive stockholding can have a negative impact on quality and productivity. Inventory management requires constant monitoring and updating to avoid undesirable consequences. Recording and keeping track of them can reduce the time needed to perform tasks and facilitate problem identification, while excessive holding can increase costs and reduce efficiency. In addition, excessive holding of inventory can lead to loss of profit, as some inventory may become spoiled or expire. Motion. Poor workplace organization can lead to reduced ergonomics and layout, resulting in unnecessary movements for both people and machinery. This can include walking in large work areas and unnecessary movements, which increases the time required to perform tasks and can lead to fatigue and increased risk of injury. In addition, frequent meetings with executives from other cities can cause unnecessary travel and travel costs, when they could instead use technology such as meetings via Teams, Skype, or Zoom, resulting in time, money, and energy savings. And the last unnecessary action is Excess processing. Processing products that do not add value to the customer can be a source of waste for a business. Using the wrong tools or processes to create stationery can lead to errors, delays, and extra costs. A simpler approach can be more effective. Employees need to be trained in using the right methods and tools to increase productivity and reduce waste. Therefore, it is important to have clear standards and procedures in place to ensure successful completion of projects. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below.